Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Resident Evil Requiem something went wrong crash. So this video is a resolve that something went wrong crash error in Resident Evil Requiem with the simple steps including file verification, admin mode, and GPU settings. So let's start with the first one, which is identify the crash error. So when Resident Evil Requiem crashes, you will see a something went wrong error dialog from the Capcom Crash Reporter. So this application stops unexpectedly. So this is one of the most common crashes and can be caused by corrupted files, permissions, or GPU misconfiguration. So next is run as administrator. So navigate to the game installation folder, Steam, and then tap on the Steam apps, tap on the common, and then Resident Evil Requiem. So right click this one and select Run as Administrator. So if this fixes the crash, right-click this one, tap on the Properties and Compatibility tab, and check the Run this program as an administrator. Next is Verify Game File Integrity. So open the Steam, right-click Resident Evil, Requiem, go to Properties, tap on the Local Files, and tap on Verify Integrity or Game Files. So Steam will scan and re-download any corrupted or missing files. So this process may take several minutes and depending on your internet speed as well. Next is set high performance GPU. So go to Windows settings, tap on the system, go to display and click on graphics. So from there, just click browse and add this one, set it to high performance and ensure that it uses your dedicated GPU instead of integrated graphics. So this prevents the crash caused by the game running on the wrong GPU. Lastly is game loaded successfully. So after applying these fixes, Resident Evil Requiem should load to the main menu without crashing. So the something went wrong error should now no longer appear, and you can now enjoy the game with stable performance. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!